Indrajit Patel sir, Principal BVM, Dr. B.C. Goradia sir, HOD EC Department, all faculty members, non-teaching staff of EC Department, invited guests, our all own alumni, Sanket Rathod, Pariniti Doshi, Shrey Anjaria, Yogesh Iyer, and K.R. Karthik. A very good afternoon to you all. I, Professor Palak, welcome you all to this EC Department Excellence Award 2021 organized by EC Department BVM. Spending time with God through prayer and His words is a prerequisite for having a great life and success. So let us begin with the journey with the prayer. So I request Dr. Goradia sir and Harshita Shil to offer a prayer. Please sir.
Am I audible? Hello.
Yes, you are audible.
Okay. ओ पालनहारे निर्गुण और न्यारे, ओ पालनहारे निर्गुण और न्यारे, तुमरे बिना हमारा कौन नहीं, तुमरे बिना हमारा कौन नहीं, हमरे उलझन सुलझाओ भगवन, हमरे उलझन सुलझाओ भगवन, तुमरे बिना हमारा कौन नहीं, तुमरे बिना हमारा कौन नहीं, तुम ही हमका हो संभाले, तुम ही हमारे रखवाले, तुमरे बिना हमारा कौन नहीं, तुमरे बिना हमारा कौन नहीं, चंदा में तुम ही तो भरे हो चांदनी, सूरज में उजाला तुम ही से, ये गगन है मगन, तुम ही तो दिए हो इस तारे, भगवन ये जीवन तुम ही ना सवारोगे तो क्या कोई सवारे, ओ पालनहारे निर्गुण और न्यारे, ओ पालनहारे निर्गुण और न्यारे, तुमरे बिना हमारा कौन नहीं, तुमरे बिना हमारा कौन नहीं।
जो सुनो तो कहें प्रभु जी हमारी है विनती, दुखी जन को धीरज दो, हारे नहीं वो कभी दुख से, तुम निर्बल को रक्षा दो, रह पाए निर्बल सुख से, भक्ति को शक्ति दो, भक्ति को शक्ति दो, जग के जो स्वामी हो इतनी तो अर्ज सुनो, है पथ में अंधियारे, दे दो वरदान में उजियारे, ओ पालनहारे निर्गुण और न्यारे, तुमरे बिन हमरा कौन नहीं, हमरी उलझन सुलझाओ भगवन, तुमरे बिन हमरा कौन नहीं, तुमरे बिन हमरा
कौन नहीं, तुमरे बिना हमारा कौन नहीं।
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Harshita. Now, I would like to request Dr. B.C. Goradia, sir, to share detail about function. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Professor Palak. Dear student, our invited guest, faculty members, Excellence Award 2021. At the outset of this Excellence Award function of the year 2021, I would like to wish and pray for the better, healthy condition of mankind across the globe as well as in the nation in particular. Respected Principal Sir Dr. Ayan Patel Sir, our invited guest, Engineer Sanket Rathod, Engineer Pariniti Doshi, Engineer Sri Anjaria, Engineer Yogesh Iyer, and Engineer K.R. Karthik. My dear student, friends, and our winners. Along with that, AC department teaching and non-teaching staff members. It is indeed a matter of great pride and satisfaction that Department of Electronics and Communication is organizing Excellence Award since last 5 years. The primary objective of this giving away this Excellence Award is to encourage our students for their noteworthy contribution in different domains. We have been appreciating our students by one or other way, but this Excellence Award is creating its own benchmark and history. Talking about this particular Excellence Award in this year, we have identified total 74 awards in different categories. More than 50 students are going to receive the various prestigious awards. So I wish all the students very good luck, and I congratulate all the students. This is all about the brief summary of this Excellence Award, and we wish that the student of EC department will excel in all the domains. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I invite Dr. Ayan Patel, sir, Principal BVM, to give his valuable remarks.
Good afternoon and namaskar to all present on this digital platform on the eve of the function for awarding the students who have performed to the best of capacities in the different domains of curricula, co-curricula, extracurricula, as well as the varieties of the spectrum activities being conducted at the department level, institute level, state, nation, and international level. First of all, I wish wellness of you, your wards, your family members during this tsunami, the second wave of COVID-2019, due to which entire globe is affected, and particularly in India, it's very prominent this time than the first cycle. So let Almighty bless all of us, our families, and all the citizens and people across the globe to come out with the very critical and cristful situations due to this COVID-19. Birla Vishwakarma Mahavidyalaya, a very premier institutions in the field of engineering and technology, working since 14 June 1948 with a motto, work is worship. My colleague, Professor Bhargav Goradia, head of the department, EC, colleague faculty members of the department, supporting staff of the department, the guest of this function, our own alumni, Sanket, Pariniti, Shrey, Yogesh, and Karthik, who are present to motivate the young students of the department who have participated in varieties of activities to address our vision, produce globally employable, innovative engineers with the core values. The students, the faculties, the academic leaders, the management, and our board of governors always work with head, heart, and hands together for the holistic development of the students who have put faith in Birla Vishwakarma Mahavidyalaya for their academic endeavors. We provide ample opportunity on a physical mode as well as since last 1 year on a digital mode to address the curricular need, extracurricular need, and co-curricular activities needs by organizing varieties of the activity at the department level, at the institute level, and motivating our students to participate at the state, national, and international level activities. It is very fortunate and proud-taking matter for all of us that the students of Birla Vishwakarma Mahavidyalaya always give best to their family, to their society, and to our nation at large by way of participating in various activities as well as winning the prizes, whether it is debate competitions, ideathon, hackathon, any technical festivities, or representing our country at the United Nations as well as the international platforms in terms of the conference and workshops. I'm happy to say that each and every department at Birla Vishwakarma Mahavidyalaya always try to address the need of the society, the need of the country, and to make our footstep at par with the national vision. Today, we at India level is progressing at a rate at par with the developed countries. Though we are in the cadre of developing country, but the youth as well as we all together can make our India a new India by 2022. We can address the varieties of the philosophy, Skill India, Startup India, Stand-up India, Digital India, Zero Tolerance India, and nowadays, Atmanirbhar India. So it is our moral responsibility that each and every youth who are connected with engineering, science, and technology discipline should come out with varieties of the ideas, with the varieties of the thought, varieties of the innovation that can be converted into some startups, some prototypes, and commercial at large. Electronics and Communication Department, society since last 5 years to my knowledge, always criticized that there is no future so far as EC is concerned. A decade before, well in advance, before 2 years, the management seats, the NRI seats were booked by the parents for their wards in the EC. EC is really a versatile branch which is nationally as well as internationally recognized branch because the today era is era of innovation. Today era is era of automation. Today era, it is the era of robotics, AI, ML, DL, virtual reality, augmented reality, additive manufacturing, which will require each and every technological aspects which are being taught in electronics and communications. And I have witnessed many alumni, they have grown to the best of their capacity and they're working worldwide. Even the civil engineer, even the mechanical engineer or electric who had graduated 20, 30 years back, they are now working in the domain of electronics and communication because today era is the era of the communication. Today era is the era of the satellite. Today era is the era of the defense and monomer technology, which requires a fundamental input so far as electronics and communication is concerned. Not a single household equipment, not a single medical instrumentation, not a single defense instrumentation, production, manufacturing instrumentations will work without the support of electronics. So the students, I'm happy that the staff and the leader at EC department work hard to groom our students, to mentor our students, to motivate our students so that students are hooked up, they line up, they are streamlined in the era of the progressive technology. Since last 5 years, without any break in their all-time this type of activity, whether it is pandemic situations or non-pandemic situation, they have organized such activity of academic excellence to motivate the students. And this will really penetrate to the minds of the students, minds of their family and society, so that students gets more and more encouraged to perform better and better. During last couple of years, many students of electronic department, they have participated in the state level, national level hackathon, ideathon, and they have secured the rank in the first to third position. Recently, Dhwani of the final year, she has participated in couple of international events organized by WISI as well as the UNESCO. She has also traveled to Paris for the UNESCO flagship award, program. So this is the strength of our students. So never mind whatever you are engaged with the study, whether it is electronic, whether it is IT, whether it is computer, but at Birla Vishwakarma Mahavidyalaya, due to this autonomous status, we have ample scope to take interdisciplinary electives, to work with other students, and really this time in even RoboState 1.0, that is the robotics competition organized by Kuskos DST, our team secured the first prize. In 2.0 version, the students of all disciplines, civil, mechanical, electrical, electronics, IT and computer, they are working together, and out of 7 teams, 5 teams are qualified for the second round. So this refers the ecosystem which is developed by the departments and even the student startup and innovation policy. We are promoting a good final year projects. We are ready to support you to convert those projects into prototype and startup. Please come forward with your ideas, with your innovations, so that we can build our country at par with the developed country. I congratulate Dr. Goradia and entire team for taking pain to organize such type of the activities to boost the morale of the students. I congratulate all the winners who have secured the prizes in curricular activities, co-curricular activities, extracurricular activities, and overall performance in the departments. This will really a torch-bearing event for other departments to be organized such type of the event. Your department is going for the National Board of Accreditation NBA in Tier 1 category. NITs, IITs, and other premier institutions go for Tier 1 NBA. So EC department is also going very shortly for the NBA Tier 1 accreditation. So I request all the faculty members, all the present students, all the alumni of this department to work with the team of the EC department to support the department so that we can recognize as a Tier 1 accredited department so far as the NBA is concerned. I wish this program a grand success. May God bless all of us for a better future. We at the management, we at the Board of Governors are 24/7 available for our students for any needs which avail them for excelling in their curricular as well as post-curricular activities. Thank you all for inviting me to this function. Let this function be carried out in the good spirit. Let me motivate, let me appreciate and acknowledge the contribution and achievement of the students, of their mental faculties, and let more and more such activities being carried out. And those who are award winners, those who are alumni, I request you to keep in touch with the group of students. Like faculty mentors are there, I request the alumni to take group of 10, 15 students and mentor them during course of 4 years. Because purely addressing the academic pedagogy, it is the conventional pedagogy. But now we are in the era of the international pedagogy. There is paradigm shift, 180-degree shift. What the conventional pedagogy is there, now what the modern pedagogy is. It is the practical based learning. It is the project based learning. It is the problem solving based learning. It is learning beyond the curriculum. It is exposing beyond classroom and laboratories. So let me build a strong ecosystem with our students, with our faculties, and with our alumni, so that the students are recognized at each and every level, whether you are serving in the Gujarat, outside Gujarat, or outside the India. For nowadays, we are sending rovers to the moon, we are sending rovers to the Mars. So Lloyd, you are the part of this challenging projects in your future. We convey our best wishes and congratulate you all on my personal behalf as well as on behalf of Board of Governors, Villa Vishwakarma Mahavidyalaya. Thank you all. Namaskar. Jai Hind.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Awards refer to any form of acclamation or recognition that you receive for your outstanding performance or efforts in the particular field. Awards are a motivational tool that keeps you going. Besides being a mark of excellence, awards help to boost your morale and help you aim and achieve bigger accomplishments. So let us begin with the first category of awards, that is the Academic Excellence Award. I request Amit sir to display certificates of awardees. Okay. Uh, the first award, that is the highest CPI at first level, goes to 19 EC 420 Nitya Parikh.
Thank you for the thank you to all the faculty members and respected principal, sir.
Thank you, Nitya.
I'll keep working hard to continue my performance.
Okay, thank you. Now, second highest CPI at first level, 19 EC 424, Shail Parmar.
Hello. Hello.
Yes,
Amit
Amit
sir.
sir.
There is some technical problem. Just a minute.
Thank you. Now, third highest CPI at first level, 19 EC 413, Rishit Hemant Thakur. Highest CPI at second level, 18 EC 751, Shakshi Pawar. Second highest CPI at second level, 18 EC 432, Vedant Dokania.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Third highest CPI at second level, 18 EC 403, Sagar Vasani. Now, highest CPI at third level, 17 EC 403, Mehta Shakshi Kanaiyalal.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Second highest CPI at third level, 17 EC 438, Rohit Kumar Shah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Third highest CPI at third level, 17 EC 430, Shreya Mehta.
Thank you, ma'am.
highest CPI at 4th level 1680-417 Gautam Vivekanandan.
Palak,
Yes, sir.
if students are present, at least when their name appear, they should start, put their video on so that we can see them. Only
Okay, sir. I request students to put your video on when your name is announced. Okay. Second highest CPI at 4th level 1680-466 Makwana Harry Chetanbhai. Third highest CPI at 4th level 1680-444 D. Achaya Nadar.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Palak ma'am, now you can take feedback of some of the students to share their feedback about this award. Any
Yeah,
one or two? Yeah.
yes, sir. Uh, okay. I request Vedant to give their feedback about this function.
Respected Principal Sir and Bhargav Sir, so it was my immense pleasure to receive the award for the second highest CPI. So it was a great learning experience in our second year. So due to pandemic, our fourth semester was we were mass promoted, but in the third semester and the third semester and the half fourth semester, we have learned a lot during those 2 semesters. And in the current semester also, we are learning a lot, and all the faculties are putting their great efforts to educate us in such a time they to educate us and to help us in learning in different projects also. So it was really a great experience and a great initiative by the by EC department to organize such a function. So thank you, sir. Thank you, all the faculties and principals, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Vedant, for your valuable feedback. Now
Thank you, ma'am.
I request Dhwani to give her feedback.
Hello, everybody. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible, Dhwani.
Well, it is a great pleasure for me to be a part of this excellence award ceremony. You know, as I always say, it's always has been an amazing opportunity, and that, and a motivation, a way of motivation, where our department always arranges this excellence awards to motivate students, not only in the technical field, but in the cultural field as well, and in other activities they have been doing so far. It's and this is the reason, this happens because of the reason of our inclusive faculty support. EC department always arranges, as I said, to boost up students' morale. It's been a pleasure for me. Thank you to our HOD sir, Dr. Bhargav Goradia, and Professor Dr. Rana sir, who have been my project guide in the numerous projects. Dr. Darshan sir and Ronak sir, our counselor, who are always there to help us during the problems in regarding any projects that we any problems that we face during the projects. And Professor Ghanshyam sir, who are our guide in the research project that we conducted in the pandemic situation and COVID-19. Mayur sir and Amit sir, who have always helped us in various aspects of programming and various other subjects as well. Amit sir, Mayur sir, who has helped me feature my innovations in various other news channels. And I thank all of the faculty member and non-teaching staff who have helped me one way or the another throughout the 4 years. It is an honor for me to be a part of this amazing EC family. Thank you.
Thank you, Dhwani.
Thank you.
Okay. Now, I'm giving just introduction to the guest, today's guest, Sanket Rathod. Completed BE from BVM EC department in the year of 2017. After that, partnered various startups in medical and travel domain. Presently, he is working with the world's largest edtech company, Byju's, as a business development associate. Apart from that, since 2013, he is volunteered ISKCON Youth Forum as an in charge and guided many youths in their life to achieve their goals. Now, I would like to request our today's guest Sanket Rathod to share few words.
Thank you, ma'am. First of all, Principal Dr. I.N. Patel sir and Dr. Bhargav Godia sir, I thank you for inviting me to this event. And I would just like to share with all my friends and all my, juniors or whatever, say friends or what brothers and sisters, that this from the day one when I was invited to the first excellence award as well, and the day today, right, it is my third or fourth excellence award which to which I am invited to. So I have been telling this in the first excellence award and today as well, that this is a very great opportunity for all the students to know their talents and know their unique abilities where they can work on, right? Because this is the platform where they can show or where they can showcase their talents which they are hiding inside. And BVM EC department is doing a very great job to enlighten or make them aware about what they have in their baskets, right? So everyone has their some or other talent or some or other qualities they have in their life, and with for that, using that they the pass out as well and the current students as well, they can know their qualities that in which field they can excel, right? So because I am working personally joined Byju's for having an experience that what kind of environment is there in the market. But I found out that this is the area, if we know the talents and if we know what we can do better at, we can more go ahead and we can do good for the society at large, right? So this is a very good initiative. And from the day when we was used to study in the EC department, it was ET, right? Telecommunication. Bhargav sir was aiming to start this excellence award, but we were the first batch, I think, where we started the excellence award, I think. But this is a very great opportunity and a very good initiative by the EC department as well. So I think this will carry on and help a lot of students to have their talents and have their skills to be nourished. Thank you.
Thank you, Sanket.
Palak ma'am, your mic is muted.
Oh, sorry, sir.
Amit
Now,
sir, you may present.
Now, in continuation, we are announcing second category of awards, that is most punctual and regular students. I request Amit sir to display the certificate for the same. So starting with the first level, most punctual and regular student at first level, 20 EC 402, Amisha Shyam Shakhre.
Students are requested to turn on their camera once their name is announced.
Most punctual and regular student at first level, 20 EC 441, Prithviraj Manish Singh. Most punctual and regular student at first level 20 EC 404 Rishit Mathur. Most punctual and regular student at first level 20 EC 413 Shalini Kotecha. Now, most punctual and regular student at second level 19 EC 431 Patel Vrushab Bhavesh Kumar. Patel Vrushab Bhavesh Kumar, I think, sir. 19 EC 431. Yes. Thank you, sir. Most punctual and regular student at second level 19 EC 434 Patel Tarak Mittal Bhai. Most punctual and regular student at second level 19 EC 405 Asta Piyush Gupta. Most punctual and regular student at third level 18 EC 751 Shakshi Pawar. (18 EC 432 Vedant Dokania. Most punctual and regular student at third level 18 EC 411 Amisha Singh. Most punctual and regular student at third level 18 EC 430 Pratham S. Barve. Most punctual and regular student at fourth level 17 EC 437 Vats Dave. Most punctual and regular student at fourth level 17 EC 430 Shreya Mehta.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Most punctual and regular student at fourth level 17 EC 415 Dhruv Patel. Most punctual and regular student at fourth level 17 EC 416 Komal Harsoda.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, now I am giving the introduction of our second guest, that is
Palak ma'am, before you introduce our next guest, let 2-3 students give their feedback and let them motivate others how they are punctual and regular.
Okay, sure, sir. Now I request other students to give the feedback about the Excellence Award as well as motivate the students to be a punctual and regular in their curricula.
Good evening to one and all present here. I am Sakshi Bawar from EC third year. Firstly, I am very thankful to all the faculties and my classmates. Just because of these people, it's possible that I achieve highest CPI award and punctual student award. And I just wanted to share one thing with all my friends, that scoring good CPI is not a big deal. There only one factor behind it, and that is regularity or punctuality. And I too felt that. So I just advise you attend the classes regularly, and whatever the faculties teach you in the class, just make their notes. Because as you all know, anything is better than nothing. With these lines, I conclude, and once again, thank you to all.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Sakshi.
Sakshi. I would like to mention to our guest as well as our principal, sir, that Sakshi is a student from Jammu and Kashmir. Even though she belongs to Jammu and Kashmir, and since last 1 year, she has almost 95 plus percentage of attendance. So we must congratulate Sakshi, and we also request all other students to be like Sakshi. Always try to be regular in attending the class. Thank you. Yes, any other feedback?
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, I request Prithvi to give his feedback.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, you are audible, Prithvi.
Please make
Well,
your video on if possible.
yes, sir. Well, I would first like to thank our faculties who helped us give this golden opportunity and also gave us the knowledge for which now we are able to use them, and we are able to have all these awards with us. Uh, Talking about being punctual, it is, I guess, nothing but something from inside which comes, that a motivation kind of a thing, that uh, I must be there in front, in the first row, or in front of everybody, and be there. Uh, that's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Prithvi. Now I request Amisha to share the view or give the feedback.
I am feeling grateful for this wonderful opportunity to glorify my words. First of all, I will thank for giving me the award for most punctual and regular student. The act of prizing with the award and certificate is one of the best way to encourage a doer to fruitful upcoming success. I will thank the department to giving me opportunity, and this will also motivate my other batchmates to do their best in studies and be regular in classes. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Amisha. Now, Pariniti Doshi. She was completed B from BBMEC department in the year of 2017. She was placed in Capgemini through campus placement and currently working in the Mumbai location as a front-end developer on the role of associate consultant. Other than that, she is a voracious reader and a dancer. In BVM, she was actively participated in Udan and have performed multiple times in our cultural night. She was also part of the table tennis team, where they had won in the GTU inter-college competition. Now I request Pariniti to say a few words.
Hi, all friends and faculty members, and my respected principal. Thank you so much for having me. And heartiest congratulations to all the winners. Passing out on BVM has been a matter of pride, as it is one of the top colleges of the state. Thanks to the great placement records, I got placed in the through college itself, and I'm working in Capgemini right now. I'm working as an IT software developer. So the best part of studying from the electronics and telecommunication department is that you get the opportunity to work in both the electronics as well as the IT side. So you become a very versatile person in terms of your skill sets. And all my faculty members and VVM has played a huge role in making me efficient enough to work out there in the in jobs, as they've helped me develop holistically, not only through the education side but also by encouraging us to do all the cultural and co-curricular activities that have allowed us to improve our soft skills. So thank you to all the faculty members, and huge thank you to VVM for helping me out in my career. Also, all the best to all my friends. Keep excelling, keep studying, and hope you all get great career paths after your college ends. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Pariniti. In continuation with, now we are announcing the third category of awards, that is Leadership Award. I request Amit sir to display the certificate of awardee. So starting with the first level, Leadership Award as class representative at first level, 20 EC 441, Prithviraj Manish Singh. Leadership Award as class representative at second level, 19 EC 438, Shlok Desai. Leadership Award as class representative at third level, 18 EC 402, Bhavya Vader. Leadership Award as class representative at fourth level, 17 EC 417, Rudraksh Dave.
Thank you.
Leadership Award as Placement Coordinator, 18 EC 410, Rajveer Singh Rathod. Leadership Award as Placement Coordinator, 18 EC 440, Ashish Pandey. Leadership Award as Placement Coordinator, 17 EC 406, Vaibhav Goel.
Thank you, ma'am.
Leadership Award as Placement Coordinator, 17 EC 438, Rohit Kumar Shah. Thank you, Amit sir, for sharing the certificate. Now I just give the introduction of our next guest, that is Shrey Anjaria. He completed BE from BVM EC department in the year of 2017 and completed MBA marketing from Wallingford Institute of Management. He was working as an assistant system engineer in TCS during the 2018 to 2020. He is currently working as an associate consultant in Infosys. Now I request Shrey to say few words.
Shrey, your mic is mute.
It's still mute.
The voice is not clear. If you are connected with the laptop, you can directly use the mic of laptop.
Ma'am, we can continue with the our next guest, Karthik or Yogesh Iyer. You can introduce one of them and then let him have their sharing of their experience. Palak ma'am.
Okay, sir. Sure.
Yeah.
Now I am giving the introduction of Yogesh Iyer. He completed B from BVM EC department and recent graduate from the University of Toronto. Yogesh Iyer is currently working as IT analyst with Toronto Domino Bank. Now I request Yogesh Iyer to say few words.
Hi, can you guys hear me?
Yes.
Okay, all right. So I'd like to thank Bhargav sir and all the faculty members and principal sir for inviting me over here. And as Palak ma'am mentioned that I was an part of EC department from 2014 to 2018 batch, and so I'd like to share both of my experience of my bachelor's and my master's. So in my bachelor's from EC department, I got to learn quite a few basics of the electronics, like let's say analog design and digital design, and what all the circuit was all about, and how things are going forward, and let's say which software was going to be used of, and I got to know quite a few basics of many things, and also I had a few just a minor bit of programming experience during those days. So even in my final year project, I did a bit of programming, not much. So then after 2018, as I graduated from BVM, I got admit from University of Toronto, and I did my master's in electrical and computer engineering from U of T. So here I pursued quite a few courses. Like I wanted to dive in more, and wanted to make sure that I can do something in which the world is currently going on, which is like the machine learning field, data science, and all those things that are recently in trend. So I was doing like I'll give some couple of software names. Like for electronics, I was using in VLSI field, I used up Cadence. Cadence is like a big company, and it releases its software known as Virtuoso, and specifically for analog circuit design, and for digital design we were using Synopsys tools and etc. So I won't go in much into detail of those. I just wanted to give some few basic intros, so that if you guys are interested in pursuing more into electronics field, so these are the software that you should be aiming for if in analog field. In digital field, I feel like you should be having more of programming like C, C++, like just some scripting languages you should be knowing, so that at least it will help you gain some knowledge, and you can work with some great companies. So rest about my experience, I did couple of courses in cloud computing, then I even did machine learning, then image processing with neural networks, and all those course had helped me shape up my future in the IT field, like so that was the transition phase from the electronics to IT, because I got more into that. But still, like, if anyone wants any reference, or let's say if they have any doubts or clarifications, they can shoot me up a message on LinkedIn as well. At University of Toronto, my journey was a bit difficult at the start, because I knew that I knew something, but there are people from all over the world, so I had to compete with them, and even the PhD people and the master students, both of the people had to do the same course. So of course their level would be very high, I mean, in terms of the knowledge. So I got to learn quite a lot from them, and like I shared many of my great experiences over here, and like in BVM as well. My classmates, they are quite, I mean, settled up now, and they are also at a very, I mean, successful place currently. And even one of my classmate, Karthik, is doing quite well in the digital field, who is also an alumni of BVM. These people are really well in their field, and if you guys have any issues, doubts or clarification, we guys are always here to help up. And for the department as well, if they need us, we will be always here. So I'd like to thank again Professor, and also I'll post my LinkedIn profile over here if anyone wants to connect with me. Thank you.
Thank you, Yogesh. Okay, now in continuation, we are announcing the fourth category of the award, that is Star Performer of EC Department. I request Amit sir to share the certificates. Okay, already shared. Okay, so starting with Superstar Researcher of EC Department.
Ma'am, just before you start, you can just briefly highlight, or let me just highlight to the guest as well as to the principal, sir, that we have identified various star performer, and the star performer have been identified based on their various achievements in technical as well as innovation, as well as in lot many varieties. So we have given the various categories of star performer, that is star performer, star researcher, superstar researcher, star innovator, superstar innovator. So these are the various category that we have identified the student, and from their achievements we have segregated the different entries into various category. So really I must congratulate that the student of UG, they have been involved in various research activity, and they are actively involved in publishing their research article at various national and international journal and conferences. So I must inform our guest as well as principal that the student have taken for the consideration that only teaching learning is not sufficient. At the same time, they are also involved in various innovative concepts and projects. At the same time, they are also actively involved in publishing those research articles. Yes, so you may start now, ma'am.
Okay, sir. So first award is Superstar Researcher of EC Department, 17 EC 402, Vatsal Kumar Vipul Kumar Shah. Superstar Coder of EC Department goes to 18 EC 424, Prerna Gupta. Superstar Coder of EC Department goes to 17 EC 439, Aziz Suterwala.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Rising performer of EC department goes to 18 EC 451 Rutvik Maheshwari. Overall star performer of EC department 17 EC 421 Rutvik Patel. Overall star performer of EC department 17 EC 420 Meha Dave.
Thank you.
Welcome. Star debutant of EC department 20 EC 402 Amisha Shyam Shakre. Superstar debutant of EC department 20 EC 441 Prithviraj Manish Singh. Rising performer of EC department goes to 18 EC 412 Aditya Shah. Star performer of EC department 17 EC 406 Vaibhav Goyal.
Thank you, ma'am.
Star researcher of EC department 18 EC 407 Krushil R Mehta.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Now star researcher of EC department 18 EC 430 Pratham Barve.
Thank you, ma'am.
Amit sir, please share the certificate of Pratham Barve. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Now, superstar researcher of EC department 17 EC 401 Neil McWan. Yeah, thank you. Now superstar performer of EC department goes to 18 EC 410 Rajveer Singh Jitendra Singh Rathod. Star researcher of EC department goes to 18 EC 601 Mishra Parikshit Uday Narayan. Star performer of EC department 18 EC 435 Dani Harsh Praful Bhai.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Star researcher of EC department goes to 18 EC 416 Siddhant Balkrishna Pai. Yeah. Star performer of EC department goes to 17 EC 426 Drashti Sunil Kumar Shah. Superstar researcher and innovator of EC department goes to 17 EC 419 Nishar Patel.
Thank you.
Superstar researcher and innovator of EC department goes to 17 EC 409 Mehta Yagnik Paresh.
Thank you all.
Okay. Now I request Shrey to say few words.
Ma'am, before that, let 4 or 5 students can share their feedback.
Yeah, sure, sir.
4 to 5
Yeah.
students out of this many star performer can share their feedback quickly. I request students to share their feedback. Any 3 or 4 students can share their feedback.
Good afternoon, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah, good. Yes, yes.
So I would like to thank EC department for providing me this great opportunity, and I would like to thank all my faculties, including my counselors, Professor Mayur Sevak sir and Professor Amit Choksi sir, who provided me the platform for various hackathons and national level competitions. And I would especially like to thank Professor Mayur sir, who guided me throughout this. Thank you.
Thank you, Shrey. Sorry, 430.
Next.
Good evening, all.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, one by one you can start. Yes, one by one you can start, student.
Good evening, all. I would love to say that even though in this pandemic situation, the teachers of the EC department are always there to support students. And I'm so much thankful to Bhargav sir, who always motivate and support for achieving new things. So thank you so much, everyone.
Yes, anyone else?
Good afternoon, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, thank you so much for the award, and I would like to thank the EC department for regularly motivating us, and especially Rana sir for providing us funding for developing such great projects, and also for proving travel allowance to travel to various places as far as Bangalore or Jaipur. They have always supported me, and so without that support, it wouldn't be possible to be participating in such hackathons and national level competitions. So I would like to thank them very much. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Now you can start with. I think if Shrey is ready, he can share his experience.
Am I audible now?
Yes, you are audible, Shrey.
Yes. So sorry for the technical glitch previously. Thank you, Bhargav sir. Thank you, Palak ma'am, for the introduction. And I am happy to be a part of this session. Thank you for calling me. So, as you all know, I am a BVM EC graduate, 2017 batch pass out. After graduation, I had worked with TCS for 1.5 years, and then I pursued my MBA in marketing at Wellinger, and currently I am working with Infosys at Pune. So you all might be wondering that this is also fascinating, and it's good to listen. Yes, it is fascinating in a way, but the base towards my journey was created because of BVM and especially our department. And exactly 4 years back, I still remember that I was at the receiving end, as you all are. Never thought that I would be meeting you virtually and speaking to you all. But this journey is nothing but it has just been a ride to me, a roller coaster ride to say. But anyway, let me tell you something. Even before joining BVM, I was an introvert and I could not speak in front of huge crowd. But gradually I gained confidence because of the support of the faculties. And I won't say faculties because they are mentors to me. They have always guided us, in fact, uh, be it in technical, be it in academics, be it in non-technical field as well. So, and also our college provides ample opportunities to you all, as you all might be aware of, that we have IEEE, we have ISTE, we have various opportunities coming our way. Also, you can showcase your talent, your skills in the non-technical field as well. So yeah, I would say that do participate, do study, and enjoy 4 years of this life. These days won't come back, I'm sure. And I congratulate you all for winning the awards. Keep up the good work. And if you have any queries, if you need guidance, I'm sure the mentors are there and they will always be available. But apart from them, I will share my LinkedIn ID as well as Yogesh did. And yeah, I'm always there to help you out. Thanks a lot. Good luck.
Thank you, Shri. Thank you for your valuable words. Now, I request Professor Ghanshyam to take over the session.
Yes, thank you, ma'am. So, good evening, all. We'll continue with the remaining awards. Now, the next category, category 5, that is, before I announce the award, the award title is Academic Performance Improver Awards. I would like to invite Dr. Bhargav Gorodia sir to highlight something about these awards. Bhargav sir.
Yeah, thank you, Professor Ghanshyam. See, we have been always looking at the one who always top. So naturally, we are always encouraging the student who comes at first, second, and third level. Those who are doing the leadership activity, those who are doing wonderfully well at research, innovation, as well as performing at different levels. But since last decade, the department have been actively involved in nurturing and molding the below average students. I'm not saying weak student, but below average student. So many of the students have witnessed that by this kind of nurturing and molding, they have improved over the time. So since last 5 years, we have been giving this award, that best academic improver or best academic improved performer. So this is the award whereby we are encouraging the student, those who are felt neglected because of one or other reason, because of some academic journey was not that above average. But we are trying to say that nothing is impossible for any students. You do have potential. It is a matter of time. Somebody might have done it sometime. You might be able to do it in next time ahead. So I seriously feel that all the students of EC department, as well as all the students at BVM Engineering College, they are in position to do wonders. So we are just trying to give a gesture to those students, those who are little weak in performance, but they have improved their academic performance, and thereby we are felicitating those students every year. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Now I am just announcing the name of category 5 awards. The first name is Priyans Masru, ID number 15ET413. For the improved academic performance, the award goes to Priyans Masru.
Ghanshyam, before you proceed further, I would like to mention to this August gathering, including our guest and principal sir and all the other students of different year. Priyansh Mashru was a student who entered in the year 2015. But because of some genuine problem, he could not perform well in few examination, and therefore he was detained for a couple of years. But he has never discouraged, and he continued his effort. And to the surprise of all of us, that in last 1 year, due to this pandemic situation where most of us were working from home, and many a time we felt that there were situations where people are not coming to the campus and working from home. But to the surprise of all, that Priyansh was the only student who has visited the department and campus 5 days in a week. 5 days in a week. As well as you can imagine that he used to call the teachers on an average 5 calls per week. So he was so passionate and excited that he wanted to improve his performance, and that is why he has been able to clear almost like more than 10 subjects in last semester. So that's what the journey is. Priyansh Mashru is really a role model for the students, those who are little weak in studies, right?
Thank you very much, sir, and congratulations, Priyansh, once again.
Thank you, sir.
Second, in the same category, the second person who is the recipient of this award, the name is Patel Jainul Suresh Bhai. The ID number is 17EC462. Congratulations, Patel Jainul, for getting this award. And now, the third person in the same category, I would like to say the name that Gaonkar Shailesh Gurudas, ID number 17EC465, is also recipient of the same award, Improvement in the Academic Performance. Congratulations to Gaonkar Shailesh. Now, heading toward the next category, that is a know-how winners. Know-how is the event organized by Training and Placement Committee of our college. So the winners of those awards, that is the category 6 awards, and the names are, the first name is Harshita Shil, ID number 19EC403, Superstar of Know-how 2021. Congratulations to Harshita Shil. And second winner of the same category awards, Asta Thakur, ID number 18EC423, Superstar of Know-how 2021. Congratulations, Asta Thakur.
Thank you, sir.
Now, if any one of you would like to share your experience, the platform is open to you. Asta, Harshita.
A very good evening to all the faculty members and all of my friends. Thank you. First of all, thank you so much once again to all the faculties for conducting this Excellence Award, because it is this little pat on our backs that our faculties give to us that encourages us to do good things and keep improving. Also, I have seen a lot of juniors who have joined the college in this COVID pandemic situation, who have actively taken part in competitions like Know-how. So these competitions are very important. They are to take part in such competitions and keep learning throughout. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Astha. Now, I would like to invite our remaining guest, K.R. Karthik. Let me introduce first. Karthik is a BVMI 2018 pass out student, now currently working as a SOC Design Engineer in Intel India, and also pursuing his master with embedded system as a specialization. He is very enthusiastic engineer and have a huge interest in hardware field and want to explore more in SoC, VLSI, FPGA and ASIC. He had worked on the field of FPGA boards, Cortex controllers and ARM processors. Apart from this, his hobbies are playing football, playing music instrument and also singing. So we welcome you, Karthik, on the occasion of award ceremony. Karthik, please.
Thank you, sir. And firstly, I would like to say that it's my pleasure to be here in this Excellence Award. Thank you to all the faculties, to my principal, sir, as well. It's been a wonderful journey, I can say, from a BVM student to ex-BVM to alumni, and now as a guest speaker. And like the journey has been wonderful. So as Ghanshyam sir told that I'm currently working with Intel India as a associate design engineer, and as well as have a specialization in embedded systems. I've done my master's in embedded systems as well. But I would like to say that BVM has, especially the EC department, has given me a base in electronics and communication. We may feel like kind of the college. This college is best at Gujarat, but let me tell you frankly that you go to any other state, you will see a BVMite working excellent and doing excellent in this field in a very good MNC. For example, I could say that I was in VIT attending a workshop. Engineer came from NXP Semiconductors, and when his introduction was going on, and I noticed his introduction was going on, and they told that he has done this bachelor's from BVM, Vallabh Vidyanagar Anand, and that was one of the best movements for me, because my college was shining at each and every place, and it's shining really at a good place. So thanks to my college, firstly. I have also participated in various, and there are ample opportunities in BVM where you can participate in Nudan, you can participate in the cultural function, as a know-how, which is a fest, which is a tech fest of TPC, the training and placement cell. So you have ample opportunities to explore as well. And one thing I would like to say that the world is moving towards a trend that is AI and ML, and I see many people working in AI and ML. I agree with that, and it's a very good field, and you should explore it. But maybe as an EC and electronics engineer, I feel that our roles are more in semiconductor industries, in embedded profiles, in hardware profiles, in VLSI profiles, where we have ample amount of opportunities. The scope of an EC and an electronics engineer will never go, because the requirement for the profiles like embedded software, embedded hardware, VLSI hardware is still there. And we need, the semiconductor industries need people who really work on electronic, who really work on nanometer technology, who really work on SoC, who really work on ASIC. And maybe this is one of the best fields you could ever explore. There are many people working in AI ML, so I would like to give a suggestion that AI ML, that's very good field, but it may get saturated after a time, because everyone is working. Each and every student from every department is working in that field. Let it be IT, let it be CP, let it be electronics, let it be electrical, let it be EC. So what unique you should have is, as an electronics and EC engineer, is you should try to accelerate that AI and ML algorithms with the help of hardware. Hardwares like FPGA. FPGA boards are available with you. Because one thing is that you cannot make an efficient system only with software or only with hardware. You need both software and hardware, which should work in parallel to make an efficient system, because something which works in software will give you an efficient result, and something which, if it works in hardware, it will give you an efficient result. So maybe the ones who are actually working in AI ML side, I would like to suggest that you should try accelerating the AI ML algorithms and hardware, and that would give you a good exposure as well. And everyone should try making different projects on your own rather than taking, yeah, you should take the help of net, but we have a very good very good team of faculties and mentors who are really expertise in each and every field. So maybe if we try out something new project, then I think you will get a great exposure. So finally, I would again like to thank all my faculties, principal sir, for giving me this opportunity, and I am staying in touch with my faculties, some of the juniors also, and I can see some of the juniors also I know from this list, and staying in touch. In case you require my help, I would be ready at any time. So thanks. Yeah, that's what I want to say.
Thank you, Karthik, for your motivational words. We know that you are always there for us, for supporting our students. Thank you very much. Now heading towards the next category of the awards. The category number 7, that is winners of project competition of EC department. This competition was recently organized. In that, 3 winners have chosen, rank first, rank second, and rank third. So I'm starting the names. I'm announcing the names from the third category, third rank. So in the project competition of EC department, the first award goes to Dhwani Trivedi, 17 EC 411. That is on third rank. So congratulations, Dhwani Trivedi.
Thank you, sir.
With the same team, Dhwani Trivedi, and the second person was Shreyans Patel, 17 EC 425, who also got the third rank. Shreyans and Dhwani both are having the same team, and they have recipient of the third rank of the project competition of EC department. Congratulations to Shreyans Patel.
Thank you, sir.
Now, for the same awards, the second rank, I'm announcing the name of the team members. The first one was Karthik Modi, 16 ET 438. Congratulations to Karthik Modi. In the same award category. And the second person is Udit Kinchi, 17 EC 447. Congratulations to Udit for securing second rank in the project competition of EC department.
Thank you, sir.
Now, the first year students of EC department surprisingly got the first rank in the project competition of EC department. So there are 5 students in the category of winners category of first rank in the awards of competition of project competition. So I'm announcing the first name. Prithviraj Manish Singh, ID number 20 EC 441, secured first rank in the project competition of.
Thank you, sir.
Second name in the same team, Vivek Kumar Vankar, 20 EC 445. Congratulations to Prithviraj and Vivek. Third person who secured first rank in the same team, Devans Dave, ID number 20 EC 435. Congratulations to Devans.
Thank you, sir.
Now, the fourth person in the same category, in the same team, Hani Ashok Bhai Rathod. Congratulations to Hani, ID number 20EC453.
Thank you, sir.
And the last person in the same team from the first year who secured first rank in the project competition of EC department. The name is Meet M. Seth, ID number 20EC449. Congratulations to Meet. So congratulations to all the winners of project competition of EC department. That was the category 7. Now we have also announced, we are going to announce some special awards, and I would like to invite Dr. Bhargav Gorodia sir to announce these special awards. Bhargav sir.
Thank you, Professor Gansham. So it was a long journey of this announcement of the award. So as you know that we have been awarding the student in different domain, different categories. Now, as you know that we have some student those who are doing marvelous in all the domains, and we would not be in position to give certificate in each category. So therefore, we have identified the student those who are as good as you can say complete man and complete woman. So now we are going to announce the award for the student of 2021, a complete man of EC department. So I request Amit sir to reveal the name of the student. Any guesses from the student side? No. So no guesses. So we have first complete man award of 2021 in EC department, and it goes to Vedant Rukania. We have one more student who receives the same award, complete man of EC department, and it goes to any other guesses? Rohit Kumar Shah. So many congratulations to both the students. They have been really wonderful and marvelous throughout the year. They have been working with the department faculty members, with the department, various college, various TNP or irrespective of anything, they have been working day and night to support all the activities, academic, non-academic.
स्टूडेंट्स ने कोई अपना फेस बताया कि वीडियो ऑन नहीं करता बनने विद्यार्थियों.
Yes, sir. I request Vedant and Rohit. Yes, please. Yes, Rohit.
અમિત સર તમારી સ્ક્રીન શેરિંગ બંધ કરજો 1 મિનિટ માટે.
We have few more hours. Please wait.
Okay. Let me go ahead.
Yes, Rohit and Vedant.
Yes, sir. It was really surprising for me to get a complete man of the year award. So,
फेस बताओ रोहित.
हेलो
रोहित तुम्हारो फेस बताओ. वीडियो ऑन करो.
Am I visible?
Not yet.
1 minute, I'll just check the video.
Yes, you are visible now.
Okay, so I'm visible.
Yes, now you are visible.
क्या मन नहीं दिखा तू ये? Anyway.
Yes, one by one, Rohit and Vedant, you can quickly share your views.
Yeah, Vedant, if you like to go first, you can.
Rohit, we are senior person.
Okay, like it was a wonderful journey for 4 years to be spending in BVMEC. Like I have worked with various faculties, various HODs, training and placement, Professor in charge Akshay Pandya sir, Professor Mehul Patel sir, Hardik Patel sir, Bhargav Gorodia sir, Robinson Paul sir for training and placement activities, working in IST with Hiren Patel sir as our counselor, Palak ma'am, Ghanshyam sir, Ronak sir. Like literally, I didn't got that much. I did got that much of personal touch and emotional support from all the faculties from our college. They have supported us a lot, whether it's placement activities, it's some webinar, seminar. Is if one of my faculties get to know that I'm aspiring from ISRO, or if someone is aspiring for ESA exams and I'm having great knowledge on how to crack the examination, what is the examination pattern. Ghanshyam sir got to know about all those things. He recently, just within a few days, he organized the event to guide all the students that he's having the mindset that if one student is having some knowledge, he should share to everyone. Everyone should be benefited from peer learning, and this peer learning activity has really worked as a boom for all of my friends. If we go for uh, and and if I talk about Bhargav sir's contribution, because in whether it's a week or within 10 days I get a call from Bhargav sir, Rohit શું ચાલે છે આપણા પ્લેસમેન્ટ એક્ટિવિટીમાં, બધું બરાબર, વિદ્યાર્થીઓનું કેવું છે, સારું છે ને. With the immense support from Bhargav sir and Robinson sir, we had reached to the count of 22 students. About 22 students have yet been placed, and today itself 4 students are going for interview in company of Bombardier, and it was like Bhargav sirs and other support to like our students should not lag at anywhere. તેમને કોઈ પણ મદદ જોઈએ ને, એક ફોન કરવાનો બસ. કોઈ પણ ફેકલ્ટીને કોઈ હેલ્પ જોઈતી હોય, લાઈક કોઈ વેબિનાર જોતો હોય, કોઈ પણ તો લાઈક they are always cooperative with us, and like I've been like recipient of awards since last 4 years, and it was my wonderful journey. And thank you to all the faculties, Darshan sir, Mayur sir, Ronak sir, my project guide Rana sir, Hiren sir, and other all the faculties, Sandeep sir, Amit sir, my project guide, and everyone. And even in this 8th semester as well, I was not in touch with all faculties, but I was in touch with Amit sir and Bhargav sir for the project. They was like, તને કોઈ પણ પ્રોજેક્ટમાં જોઈએ ને, એક ફોન કરજે ગમે ત્યારે. આપણે like they were all ready to support at any moment. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, Rohit, and many congratulations. Yes, Vedant.
Yes, sir. First of all, thank you, sir. It was really surprising for me that I would be the complete man of the year. So starting about that, in the first year, I still remember that there was a free lab, and I met the Mayur sir first time. There the mentor, and there the journey is the started. So from that, the Mayur sir supported me really a lot from that point to till date. So Mayur sir supported me a lot, not only from starting with the going in the hackathons and ideathons. So it's great life. So I was not with great touch with the Bhargav sir or any other faculties because of little shyness, or I have not attended the orientation session in the first year. So I was little shy, but soon when the second year came, so the journey of another faculty, Bhargav sir, came into my life. So firstly it was really shy to talk with an HOD. So later the confidence he showed in me was really really exciting. Recently in the lockdowns, we have taken part in the many competitions under the guidance of HOD sir, and it was really boosting the way he taught us and the way he think in the idea and the improvement he need. So it was really a nice idea. I still remember a day when I do some blunder and HOD sir called me in late night, what you have done, and I was really sorry sir, it was my fault. And then he told me one line that no, you are the part of the family, and that was really very touchy line. And till date I remember that I am the part of the EC family, and all the faculties play a great role in my career, and I took part in many hackathons. It was really like a sport to take part in the hackathon whenever I will win or lose. So it was really a great experience. I would also like to mention the name of Amit sir, who is our counselor, and who believe in us in each and every aspect of aspects of the learning, and he really teaches us so well, and in all the academic life he plays a great role in our life. So it was really a great and unbelievable award for me. So thank you all, and thank you, principal.
Thank you, Vedant. Amit sir, you can share your screen once again. So we have a very genuine and extraordinary student with our department. So it is always a kind of gesture that we are showing that. So now we have two. Now we are reaching towards the last award of the today's ceremony. Now this award that we are going to announce, and these two awards are for the remarkable contribution throughout the 4 years by these students. So we are going to announce the legend of Electronics and Communication Department. Why we are calling legend? Because nothing else can be suited to those people. So we have two legends in our department, those who are taking Electronics and Communication Department to the newer heights. So starting with the first student is Dhwani Trivedi, who has been instrumental in taking BVM to the international level. Amit sir, you can please roll over to the next. Yeah. And Dhwani, she has been actively involved and participating at different activities. Dhwani, you may share your experience, although you have stated 2-3 times, but how do you feel? Because we could not find any other terminology other than legends.
So this is I cannot, I mean, I do not have words. It was really surprising and unexpected. Well, I always keep on saying it's just because of the support and motivation of our faculty and principal sir and everyone, my friends also. So, I mean, this was something really unbelievable and it is unexpected. So thank you very much. And this is yeah, I mean, all I could say is thank you, and it's quite unexpected. So yeah, thank you.
Thank you once again. Congratulations. We have one more legend of EC department. Can you please roll over Shreyansh?
Thank you.
Do we have Shreyansh with us?
Yeah. Am I audible?
Sir, you can please stop presenting your screen so he can share his views.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes.
Yeah. I'm extremely
Shreyansh, you got
delighted.
turn on your video.
Wait. Yeah. Am I audible?
Yes, Shreyansh.
Yeah, so my apologies. I'm actually in quarantine at the moment, but I'm extremely delighted to receive this award. And I don't want to make it long, but all I'll just say is that everything which happened, that's possible just because of my faculties all these 4 years, not one specific person, but every person since the day I stepped into the college. So I really thank the whole EC department. You guys are the reason who complete us. And then really thankful to my parents as well, because if it was not their suggestion, I think I wouldn't be in BVM. And now I truly feel that was the best decision I've made till date. And to all the juniors, what I like to say is that just keep doing your thing. Like, if you have passion for something, just keep on pursuing it. Don't worry about your marks, don't worry about your SPI, because at the end of the day, when you step into the professional world, all the thing that people would be concerned about is what you can do for the world, and not what your grade sheets showed. So I hope you will, all of you will carry on the good work. And thank you very much to all the faculties again.
Shreyansh, get well soon.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yes, Ghanshyam sir, proceed.
Thank you, sir. Once again, congratulations to all the recipients of the awards. Now, heading towards the end of this ceremony, I would like to invite Professor Amit Choksi, sir, to give a vote of thanks. Amit, sir.
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yes,
Hello.
sir, you are audible, sir.
Okay.
So, respected Principal Dr. Ayan Patel sir, our Head of Department Dr. Bhargav Goradia sir, all the EC faculty team members, dear participants, and the winners. First of all, good evening, one and all present over here. And I wish good health of you and your family members in this pandemic situation. So it's my privilege to deliver a word of thanks on this special occasion of EC Engineering Department. So on behalf of EC Department, I take this occurrence to thank our great management, Charutar Vidya Mandal, and our principal sir of our college, Dr. Ayan Patel sir. Dr. Ayan Patel sir for their valuable support to make this event successful. I am also very heartily grateful to our HOD sir, Dr. Bhargav Goradia sir, for giving his assistance and representing his valuable views to all winners. I would also like to thank all the guests, Sanket, Pariniti, Shrey, Yogesh and Karthik for sharing some of the finest technical practices and experiences of EC domain with us in today's ceremony. Finally, thanks to all participants, all winners for attending this occasion, and thanks to all EC team members who helped us directly or indirectly to make this event successful. Thank you all.
Thank you, Amit sir. Thank you all for attending this session. Thank you very much, all of you, to having with us. You can leave this session. Take care of yourself. Stay safe. Stay at home. Thank you.